Coronavirus infection is increasing rapidly once again in the world. Especially in China, the speed with which this new virus is spreading, that type of infection has not been seen there before. According to media reports, 3 new cases of Omicron's subvariant BF.7 have been found in India. This is the same variant whose infection is increasing at the fastest rate ever in China. On Wednesday, the health minister held a high-level review meeting amid increasing cases of corona in China, America, Japan, South Korea and Paris. Health Minister Mansukh Mandaviya has said that COVID is not over yet. We have asked all necessary officials to remain alert and strengthen surveillance. Along with this, after the meeting of the Ministry of Health, random testing of passengers coming from China and other foreign countries was started at the airports. Due to the terrible infection happening in China, once again the fear of corona infection has spread all over the world. The biggest wave of COVID-19 has come in China so far. Chinese health officials say that in the coming few months, 19 to 800 million people may be infected in the country. And a report says that in the coming few months, the death toll in China could be 5 lakhs. The World Health Organization has said that due to the new wave of corona in China, the hospitals there are getting filled. But accurate information is not being given by China so that the situation can be understood correctly. Dr. Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus of the World Health Organization has said that for a comprehensive assessment, we need to know exactly how serious the infection is in people, hospitalization and how many people are in the ICU. Michael Ryan, the emergency chief of the World Health Organization, has said that even though Chinese officials are saying that the number of affected people is relatively small, patients in the ICU are being filled here. At the beginning of this month, China relaxed its strict zero-COVID policy, and since then there has been a flood of corona cases. Official figures of China say that there was not a single death in the country due to corona on Thursday. There were 3 deaths on Tuesday and 5 on Monday. But epidemiologists and experts from all over the world are raising doubts on the figures coming from there regarding the epidemic. These figures are very low because China is considering only those deaths due to COVID, such as cases of pneumonia or such cases in which death will be due to respiratory disease. Xi government adopted strict COVID policy throughout the corona period, conducted tests, forcibly quarantined people, but on December 7th the government made a big mess in the information and said that everything is under control. But the situation as of now is certain that thing is not in sex. Omicron's infection has spread in Beijing to such an extent that it has turned into a ghost town, and it is feared that this condition may spread across China.